Hi everyone, Darko here for another weekly trade example for this week. This one is special, okay? This one I have never done this. I have never provided any of these type of analysis, what I know, what I remember. So this is the first time ever on social media. So what I do by the first of each year is I do a yearly top down on every pair we are trading, okay? And I give you my entire bias for this, for the current year. I want you to hear what I had to say about pound Swissy back in January 2022, first month of the year, and I told my paying clients about my bias for the rest of the year. And I will talk to you about the results, obviously, the year's over, and show you how how accurate that analysis were, and everything is in advance, never after the fact. Okay, so let's hear what I had to say about pound Swissy, and I will talk you through it. Pound Swissy, this is only one-way ticket down. Okay, bearish candle action for the last year. My bias is short. I have a double neckline in here that happens to be a strong monthly level. Price closed below that level. We held that level for several months. There was some signs in here that we are breaching that level. We closed and now we are retesting. So what I see happening in here is something like this. The price goes up into this level and then boom. Okay, so that's my bias. My bias is short pound yen. There you go. You heard me talk about pound Swissy, and I was very, very clear that this is one-way ticket down. Okay, this was the line on my charts in January 2022, and I said, this is just heading down, nothing more. And I pointed out my, on a weekly chart, price was somewhere in here back then when I did my analysis, and I grabbed my pen for you and I said, this is what will happen. Price will be going up into this level and then boom. Well, this is the results for 2022. Okay, so this trade alone, which is like, hands off, you just need to pull the trigger in here and leave it alone for the rest of the year. If I go down to the daily chart, this was the entry. Okay, if I mark, this is a natural stop. Okay, you might say 250 pips plus some front running. This trade alone generated in over 2,000 pips. Let me ask you this: when did you do 2,000 pips in one trade and you didn't need to do anything? No hand holding, no trade management, no watching the charts every 5 minutes, stressing yourself to death, and made yourself a fortune on one single trade. Okay, the thing is that I did the exact same thing now for 2023. Yearly top down part 1, part 2, part 3, where I covered everything you need to know about all the pairs that we are trading. Every single one of them. We have a specific written down objective game plan. Okay, so that's how I coach. And if you are interested in how I'm doing this, and if you want to join the elite club, well, send me an email to Darko, that's DARKO @forexmentor.com, and I will give you an offer you cannot, don't afford to miss. Okay, so let's start the year of 2023 to actually, stop, just waiting for the next year. Now it's the time to start. Okay, don't wait forever, because one day it will be too late. Join our service and I will teach you how to read price. I'm showing you trades in advance and everything you need to know about those trades. And obviously once we get filled, I cover the trade management part of it. So I'm basically hand holding you from the trade start to present itself until we get filled. Once we get filled, I cover the trade management, TP1, TP2, your stop loss, and then we finish the job. Okay, that's how I coach. So if this is something that resonates with how you want to be trading, well, you just need to send me that email and start your journey. Okay, that's it. Make sure that you support this video by hitting the like button. I will do more for you. Okay, thank you so much for listening, and I will talk to you soon. Cheers.